Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English Lessons. Today, we are going to learn important English vocabulary for beginners. We will practice emotions, occupations and jobs. First, I will say the word slowly. Then, I will use the word in an easy English sentence. Listen carefully and repeat after me to improve your English speaking and vocabulary skills. Let's begin. Emotions. Vocabulary: happiness, happiness, happiness. She feels happiness when she sees her family. Sadness, sadness, sadness. He felt sadness after the movie ended. Anger, anger, anger. She showed anger when she heard the bad news. Fear, fear, fear. The child felt fear during the storm. Joy, joy, joy. The birthday party brought everyone joy. Love, love, love. They have a lot of love for their family. Hate, hate, hate. I hate waking up very early. Hope, hope, hope. We hope for good weather tomorrow. Worry, worry, worry. Her mother felt worry when she was sick. Surprise, surprise, surprise. The gift was a big surprise. Excitement, excitement, excitement. The children showed excitement before the trip. Boredom, boredom, boredom. He felt boredom during the long meeting. Pride, pride, pride. Her parents felt pride after her graduation. Shame, shame, shame. He felt shame after making a mistake. Courage, courage, courage. The firefighter showed courage during the fire. Stress, stress, stress. Too much work can cause stress. Peace, peace, peace. She enjoys the peace of the countryside. Loneliness, loneliness, loneliness. The old man sometimes feels loneliness. Confidence, confidence, confidence. She speaks English with confidence. Friendship, friendship. Their friendship is very strong. Occupations, vocabulary teacher, teacher. My teacher helps me learn English. Doctor, doctor. The doctor works at the hospital. Nurse, nurse. The nurse takes care of sick people. Police officer, police officer. The police officer helps keep people safe. Firefighter, firefighter. The firefighter stopped the fire quickly. Farmer, farmer. The farmer grows vegetables on the farm. Chef, chef. The chef cooks delicious meals. Cook, cook. My father is a good cook. Waiter, waiter. The waiter brought our food to the table. Waitress, waitress. The waitress gave us the menu. Driver, driver. The bus driver is very friendly. Pilot, pilot. The pilot flies the airplane. Engineer, engineer. The engineer builds machines and bridges. Artist, artist. The artist paints beautiful pictures. Singer, singer. The singer performed on stage. Actor, actor. The actor starred in a new movie. Dancer, dancer. The dancer practiced every day. Worker, worker. The workers are building a new house. Manager, manager. The manager helps run the company. Student, student. The student studies English every day. Excellent job today. You learned English vocabulary about emotions, occupations, and jobs. Keep practicing these words and sentences every day to improve your English vocabulary, speaking, and listening skills. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and continue learning with Easy English Lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.